Our next step is going to be beating the shortening before we're adding the rest of the wet ingredients. So I'm going to use stick shortening. You can also measure out from a canister of shortening, but this is so much easier and neater, particularly if it doesn't open over the counter. Once again, we're using 1 cup of shortening. And you just want to get that off. Now remember, if you are measuring from a canister of shortening, you want to really pack it into the cup. It's one of the other benefits of using the stick. You know it's perfectly measured out. We're going to turn on the mixer. Start out a little bit more slowly. Of course, since the shortening is nice and soft, much softer than butter, it's not going to take much to get it beaten. But it is really important to have that air incorporated in, make it softer before you can add any of the other ingredients. We're just going to pick that up all the way to whip, and then the shortening is done. And you can see what it looks like, all nicely beaten and pretty much splattered around the inside of the bowl. And we're ready to add our next ingredients.